Good morning, students. Welcome to Treehouse High School Kalyan. Today we are going to learn about Chapter 2, that is File Management, Data Organization. The further topics are moving or copying file or folder from one folder to another, moving or copying file or folder between storage devices, searching a file or folder, understanding different file formats, sorting files, and working with different applications. So let's have a video now. This video is provided by Keeps
Hello
Publication.
students, today we will learn about the file management and data organization. Children, you have studied about the File Manager application in the previous classes, which provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It enables you to access, edit, manage and organize your files and folders. You have already learned that a file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device, whereas a folder is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. In this chapter, we will discuss some operations like how to view, copy, move files, and transfer data from one device to another. Let us begin by learning the method to moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another. Moving a file or folder means shifting it from its original location, source, to another location, destination, whereas copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. To view the contents of D drive, double-click on this PC icon on the desktop. It will display the hard disk drives, CD or DVD drives, removable devices and network locations that are connected to your computer. Now double-click on the D drive icon. It will display all the files and folders stored in it. Select any file or folder that you want to move or copy. Click on the Copy button under the Clipboard group. From the left pane, select the drive where you want to move or copy the file, say E. Now click on the Paste button in the Clipboard group. Notice that the file gets moved or copied to the new location. Let us take a quick view. To copy multiple non-consecutive files and folders, press and hold down the Control key and click on the files to be copied. The files will be selected. Now you can copy them. Now let us learn the method to moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices. To move a file or folder from one device to another, say from D drive of your computer to a pen drive, follow these steps. Attach the pen drive to your computer. Now right-click on the Start button and select File Explorer option. Select D drive from the navigation pane on the left. From the right pane, select the file or folder that you want to move to the pen drive. Right-click on the file or folder and select the Cut or Copy option from the shortcut menu. Click on the pen drive icon from the left pane. The drive opens up. Right-click on the blank area on the right pane and select the Paste option. You will observe that the selected file or folder is shifted from the D drive of your computer to the pen drive. Let's take a quick view. Press Shift plus Delete to delete files or folders permanently. Okay, let me explain you how to search a file or folder. Windows 10 offers a number of ways to find files and folders. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Use search box if you are looking for common files types. You remember all or part of the name of the file or folder you want to find. You know the date when you last modified a file. To search a file or folder, click on the search box located at the left bottom of the taskbar. Type either a part of the file or folder name or complete name or type a word or phrase that is present in the file. As you type, the items that match your text will appear on the Start menu. Select the desired file or folder. Double-click on it. The file will open in a new window. Let us take a quick view. To rename a file or folder, right-click on it and select the Rename option from the shortcut menu. Type the new name and press the Enter key. Searching file using wildcard characters. Wildcards are special symbols that can be used to search a file or folder whose exact name you do not know. There are two wildcard characters, asterisk and question mark, commonly supported in Windows to search any information. Using wildcard character, asterisk. The wildcard character asterisk can be used to replace a string of text in a search term that means any type and number of characters in its place. Let's understand with the example. L asterisk dot asterisk will search all files whose names start with L followed by any number of characters and have any extension. Example: letter.docs, lottery.pptx, locality.txt, and so on. Asterisk.docs will search for all the files having the extension as .docs, Word files. L *docs will search for all the files whose names begin with letter L followed by any character and have the extension .docs. Using wildcard character question mark. The wildcard character question mark can be used in place of any single letter or symbol. Let's understand with the example. Kips .docs will search for all the files whose names begin with Kips followed by any one character and extension as .docs. Example: kips1.docs, kipsp.docs, and so on. Kips .docs will search for all the files whose names begin with Kips followed by any three characters and extension as .docs. The wildcard characters asterisk and question mark can also be used in a combination. The question mark dot asterisk will search all files whose names contain only one character and have any extension. Example: l.docs, r.pptx, e.text, etc. Kips asterisk full stop question mark will display all files with the name starting with Kips followed by any character after that and having any extension of 3 characters. Let me give you a tip. You can also find a file or folder by clicking on the search box at the top of the open window in a particular folder or library, such as documents, pictures, music, video, and then typing the relevant keyword or text. Students know the fact. To select a consecutive group of files, click on the first file, hold down the Shift key and click on the last file. Students, you might have noticed that while finding a file or folder using wildcard characters, we made use of the file format extension of a file. But are you aware of what a file format is? Let us understand the concept of file formats. Different types of files can be stored in the computer. Example: text documents, image files, presentations, etc. Each type of file has a different file format, extension associated with it. A file format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file. It is generally indicated by its own extension. A file extension contains 3 or 4 letters appended at the end of the file name, separated by a period. Some of the most common types of files with their file formats are: documents. A file saved in Microsoft Word has the extension .doc or .docs. Spreadsheets. A spreadsheet created in MS Excel has the extension .xls or .xlsx. Image files. Image files are usually saved with a number of file formats such as .gif, .jpg, .png, .tiff, etc. Audio files. The sound files are saved with an extension .mp3, .wav, etc. Presentation. A presentation created with MS PowerPoint is saved with an extension .ppt or .pptx. The file type is also indicated with its file icon. For example, Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Let us talk about sorting files. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. Windows lets you sort files by name, size, item type, and date modified. Sorting helps in easy retrieval of the required files. There are 4 ways you can sort a list of your files. Name. Selecting this option orders files alphabetically by file name. Size. Arranges files in descending order of file size. Item type. Groups of file based on their type. Date modified. Organizes files according to the date these were last modified. Let us sort the files in the alphabetical order. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort By option and click the Name sub-option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Alright students, let us learn the working with multiple applications. Sometimes you may need to work with multiple applications at the same time. For example, your instructor has asked you to create a presentation on the topic Presidents and Vice Presidents of India since Independence. You may require some help from the internet to collect information on the same. In this scenario, you are required to work with 2 windows at the same time, presentation software and web browser. Windows 10 allows you to open several applications and work in them at the same time. Let us do it practically. Open PowerPoint 2016 by selecting Start PowerPoint 2016. Open Google Chrome by double-clicking on its icon on the desktop. Now right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Windows Side-by-Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application windows will be displayed side by side. Now you can browse information on the topic simultaneously while working in presentation software, PowerPoint. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. File is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. A folder is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. Copying a file or folder means to create a duplicate copy of the selected file or folder. Moving a file or folder means shifting it from its original location, source, to another location, destination. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. A file format is a standard way for encoding information in a computer file.